I read somewhere that Bangkok has over 200 shopping malls, yet no one is talking about this one mall that, in my honest opinion, is one of the, if not the best place for budget shopping of branded items. And I don't mean the fake or copied ones that Bangkok is notoriously famous for. I mean 100% genuine brands for as little as $10 or not even. Hi guys, I'm Aditi and welcome to my channel, The Grounded Hippie. I'm a full-time ESL teacher and part-time travel vlogger, and I enjoy traveling and creating content for you from all around the world. I mostly travel solo and sometimes also with friends. I'm excited to take you all on a journey with me through some of the most fascinating places in the world. And the best part is that I'm just getting started, so you get to follow along from the beginning. So subscribe to the channel and come with me on an adventure of a lifetime. I'm sure you're eager to find out more about the secret mall, so in today's vlog, let me take you to one of the cheapest malls to shop from in Bangkok, Chatuchak Mixt Mall. I have time-stamped all the sections of this video, so feel free to jump to any you'd like. First things first, Chatuchak Mixt is located within the famous Chatuchak Weekend Market vicinity. However, unlike the world's largest weekend market, the mall is open all week. The exact hours and location are in the description below. Also, you can get here easily in a cab, tuk-tuk, or bike taxi. But if you wish to ride the metro, the nearest MRT station is Kampeng Phet. I'm not sure if that's how it is pronounced, but it is the one after Chatuchak Park Station. With over 500 shops and stalls, this mall sells everything from home decor, jewelry, accessories to souvenirs and handmade products to pet supplies and whatnot. And then there's obviously a whole section of branded items at factory outlet prices, which means that they are essentially 70 to 80% cheaper than usual. It is the perfect excuse to skip the daytime heat and humidity of Bangkok and shop to your heart's content at the fully air-conditioned indoor mall. Oh, and there's also food, a lot of food. Without further ado, let's take a quick tour of the 3 shopping floors at Chatuchak Mixt Mall so you know what to expect and where to score the best deals. The first floor is a shopper's dream, offering a little bit of everything. It's home to a variety of stores selling home decor, handmade accessories, and quirky souvenirs. But the real highlight here is the massive open section, which is dedicated to vintage clothes and factory outlet deals on brands like ADIDAS, Nike, and Under Armour. You can find genuine branded items at jaw-dropping prices. For instance, this entire section of sportswear from ADIDAS and Under Armour is where you can get t-shirts for as low as 199 baht or under $6. And it doesn't stop there. This floor also has several coffee shops to grab a quick caffeine fix, beauty and spa shops if you're in the mood to pamper yourself, and a large pet store that caters to all kinds of animals, not just your typical dogs and cats. Whether you're shopping for fish, birds, or even reptiles, this pet store has you covered. Moving up to the second floor, you will find even more fashion, but this is also where things get super fun. Not only do you get stylish clothing, shoes, and accessories, but there's also an incredible collection of toys and action figures. From fan favorites like Naruto, Avengers, and popular Japanese anime series to vintage cameras, watches, and even high-end designer bags, this floor feels like a collector's paradise. Whether you're a toy enthusiast or just want to marvel at the impressive displays, the second floor has something cool for everyone. And if you're looking for rare collectibles or unique gifts, this is where you'll want to spend some time. The third floor is where the mall gets a little magical, almost like you've stepped into the set of Avatar. This floor boasts an unbelievable selection of artificial flowers and plants. Whether you're looking to spruce up your home or add a touch of nature to your workspace without the upkeep, you'll be amazed at the variety here. Alongside this, you will find shops selling beautiful wooden antique furniture, making it the perfect floor for interior decor enthusiasts. And of course, no shopping experience in Thailand is complete without food. The third floor also houses a huge food court offering both Thai and Western dishes. Whether you're craving pad thai, pizza, or even just a refreshing beverage, this is the place to refuel. You can also relax at one of the massage shops here, or if you're short on time, hop into one of the many massage chairs scattered around the mall. 20 minutes for just 50 baht is an unbeatable deal, especially after a long day of shopping. Whether you're hunting for branded clothes at bargain prices, scoping out rare collectibles, or looking to decorate your home with some gorgeous artificial plants, Chatuchak Mixt Mall has something for everyone. It's a hidden gem that combines the best of shopping and relaxation, and trust me, it's worth exploring. Make sure to stop by and let me know what you scored on your shopping trip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and vlogs from around the world. You can also follow me on Instagram for more real-time updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.